Hello, ceramic students. I'd like to talk to you just a little bit about your Google Classroom today. And as I said on Friday, I want you to take your time to organize your Google Classroom. So I have joined one of my Google Classrooms. I'm on the main page. You will see all your classes here. I just see the one that I joined. And if I go here and scroll down, I should see a to-do list. Now, if I click on that to-do list, you can see I don't have any assignments because I just have the one class, but then I click on this and all these assignments are missing. And this can kind of freak you out because you just haven't marked things as done. So remember that your teachers are putting things in as assignments, even if they're not worth points. You know, it's like you can think about this like being in class and listening, and that means that you are there and it's done. So like making tools, read, clay safety at home, you're responsible for all this material. You just need to mark it as done. And then if I go here, you can see from your classes what you did finish. Now these will be all your classes. So you can go to your classes and I can click on Yelmberg. Ceramics 1, and I can go to classwork. And here I can go to view my work. So my topics are here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So all of this needs to be done. And Mondays are days, you know, sometimes I'm going to give you some things to do, but Mondays are days to go back in and make sure that everything is done and to work on things. So now I can go to view my work. And I can see that what I have been assigned here, that's everything. What has been returned with a grade. I have 2 grades right now, but I have a lot of missing work just because I haven't marked it as done. So I can view the details. I can go in, make sure that I've watched the video and mark as done. And that way you're going to be able to organize your work just a little bit more. So now I can go back. And I can go to making tools. Again, make sure that I've done that lesson. This lesson was on Friday. There was a video and you were to go and make tools. And when you're done, you mark it as done. If you're not done, you leave it open to remind yourself that you have to do it. So please go in and organize all your classes because it can really make you feel overwhelmed to go to this page and see all this missing work when you probably have already done it. All right, we'll get your grades updated today. And Ceramics 3, you actually have an activity to do. The rest of you, I will see you on Tuesday to begin making in clay. All right, good luck. Have fun.